Come back for me. Apa? Hello guys, welcome to our channel.
Welcome. Okay. That wasn't good.
It's quarantine day. I don't know. Do you know?
4 to 5.
I don't know. I give up.
I think
long
that's
time. So today we're having dinner from Captain Boil.
Like our vips?
So today we're gonna have some fries,
What is it? Lobster,
lobster,
chicken,
chicken, shrimp, and this is mussel. We had fried rice with shrimps, and that's it.
Dig it.
Hello. Hello. And we have a movie going on. It's a new movie with Jackie Chan, I believe. It's Bleeding Steel. And we're all gonna be eating and
Sadly, once
watching our movie and talking about our movie, because when I watch movies, I talk. So who don't like it, like it. Hi. Hi. Say hello.
Fries.
No, say hello. They can't
These
hear
fries
you.
are actually pretty good. Say hello. Hello. Say hi. Hi.
Hi. You want shrimp? Good girl. Go eat your shrimp.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
I gotta open my water.
Man, I know which spot is that.
How about you start with the mussels like you wanted to?
Oh, look a boy in one coma.
If you
Zagwan.
keep looking over there,
And they're
it's 'cause the
calling
movie's
his
over
father. I'm telling you, you're messing around with me. I come to. I must say, it's just nice and buttery. Buttery and nice. So make your food have to go on and that's a fair fling, so. Take your time, you're a girl.
I'll be sure.
Be gentle. Be ladylike. You're the mama. I should not know nothing about that neither.
How did your food reach me?
So, I've never ever tried mussel. I'm one of those people who tell myself if I don't like it, I'm gonna try it. So today, I'm gonna try it to see if I don't like it or if I like it. So,
Where do you eat?
it look like this. I don't even know if I don't even know if something's supposed to squeeze out or it's supposed to go some. Maria have to do one too.
You should search it on how, because I don't know how to eat a
Yeah,
mussel.
put name out and slurp it. And you gotta chew it. I'm gonna eat it.
Like you said when we were doing the last time, and then you spit it.
So again, it's my first time eating this. I've always told myself I don't like it. Let's confirm now. Ready? How you eat fries? What we're gonna do? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, and everything we are eating is in the Captain Boil sauce. So I think that's all 3 of their sauces that's mixed together. Don't ask me what their sauces are, because I don't know. But
Do
yeah,
you slurp? Because you just
go like
spit
this.
it out.
Look, I'm putting your mouth. Okay, ready?
Ah,
Ready, set, go.
I can't do it. Does it taste good?
Smart. It's not. Stop.
The sauce.
I think there's something there I'm not supposed to eat, but you know, I swallowed it. But there's
Now
some
you're
part of
telling
it I didn't like. So, confirm. Me not like it. Me gonna yam it though. Me gonna smoke a spliff and yam it later. But I don't like it. Like me not bite again. I think of the part there you're not supposed to eat. When I chew it and I taste something mushy. So somebody please tell me.
Is that poop
Is that the doo-doo?
that you ate?
Look close. Look.
Good thing I opened it and looked.
That don't look right.
Good thing I opened it and looked.
So, cheese sauce.
You don't like it?
Huh? That's why I mean, no, I don't. Better stick to the devil you know, because
Okay, now I'm gonna eat it, okay?
your shit is expensive.
Okay, now I'm gonna eat it.
Like, I thought you should eat it a long time ago. Like, put the whole thing in your mouth. Come over, just me.
There's just lots of chewy things in my mouth right now.
Lots of chewy things. We have potato and corn in each bags.
That reminds me of lobster.
Guys, listen to size. Huh? On the car, I can't yam food. I'm here got 3-4 hard life. And I can't afford to buy food. I can't yam. Huh? A girl? This girl is full. This girl right here is full already. Huh?
I dropped my thing.
Ooh, Jesus. Shrimp.
Ooh, I think I kind of forgot how to open one.
So, I do them like so.
Pasta is back. This pasta is so good.
And I do like so. Then I skin she out like this.
I forgot how
And I just take off here and dress like so. I don't ask no permission. I strip she down so.
Where's the shrimp? I need a shrimp.
Destiny, come here, please. Come here. Don't even go over there and drop the camera. Come here. Come. One more shrimp. Papa. And I just suck she off like this.
Okay, so you need the heads removed. You need these legs removed. Take the tail off. There's a tail.
And in this bag, we got some chicken.
You open it.
And I was going around, you know, I just going around.
Circle.
Use a spatula.
The guys are sharing with me what?
Yo, this girl's pretty though.
What do you say?
This girl's pretty.
Just remove the skin around the shrimp. Okay. Shell, skin, whatever. I'm trying not to take it off.
Oh, Jesus.
And
how did I forget you? But they say best is for last.
I know.
I saved you. I saved you.
Comment down below what your favorite kind of seafood is. Mine would be lobster.
Because mine would be lobster too. But you know this.
I don't know this.
Why you acting so surprised?
And I was shrimp.
I don't like shrimp like that. Like, the shrimp that's in this rice, I eat it, but I'm not a fan of it. But I can name it. The shrimp that's in this bag, I can eat that one more.
More than I can.
Like this one, you always see me trying to eat like the rice, but leave the shrimp. I don't fancy it like that. Gunshot of fire. Boy, up. I haven't seen Jackie Chan in a movie in a long time. I'm going with him saying my police.
I don't know what's in there, but I'm sure skipping that piece.
I just blew it right up.
Guys, I don't know where to go in this lobster thing.
What do you want? Want the claws?
I don't know what I want in there. I just want a piece.
You know how to start.
Start? You're sure right, I do not. Yeah. No, I won't get my dress dirty.
She just walked right here. beside me.
Help.
Never let me go.
I don't want to cut myself.
When food's sweet, it just make you ball out. Don't hurt your feelings.
Oh, yes, I did it. So happy right now. I don't think I got anything. I did it.
So, story time-ish.
Wait,
You know what? Or you think, oh, teeth strong. Yeah? So you know the can, Heineken. Reason I'm drinking one. Can.
The bottle.
You know when you're drinking the bottle ones? I do that all the time. I did that. And I broke my tooth right here. And when I broke it so bad that like my gum part was exposed. And it not hurt me or nothing, so I just move on with my life. Until the other night.
Help me, please.
How about you?
I need the help.
You want me to talk about teeth strong? I broke my teeth and now you may tear this with my teeth. Bring one of the scissors from the drawer.
Pardon?
One of the scissors from the drawer, the second drawer. There's other scissors in there, you know. You bring that robot size something out. Guys, it don't look like me know what me I do.
No.
But me know what me I do. My father is a fisherman. A long time before I come to Canada.
My grandfather fisherman.
I don't know. I is I problem. Jesus. There we go. See? Girl know what she's doing and stuff.
Thank you.
Oh, that tough.
You know what? Probably I still can't open it.
Splashing me, you's a wet girl.
Oh my gosh, I still can't open it. This is so sad.
Oh gosh.
Okay, give me this. Yeah, I'm just gonna take these off. This is not helping whatsoever.
Now you like to be bad and bougie.
But we're sure helping with the clean hands.
I mean, I'm for wash. I'm for wash. One, two, no, that's you got to get it on.
You're just yapping away. Where is it? This?
Oh,
The story?
food's so nice. I just got this, Jackie. Forgive me. Rewind.
That's the worst thing I've ever.
Nobody not laugh with you. So, anywho, I had a in the pandemic I had to go emergency see the dentist, and I had to do a root canal because when I keep eating on my gum got infected. My tooth they had to do a root canal on this tooth right here, and yeah, and fill it. That was yesterday, and now it's tender-ish. So I chew on it that side, but not too much. Girl, honestly, I tender.
I'll actually get butter.
Forgive me. I like all that show I want right now when I turn on and see. I got rewind.
I'm gonna break the claw, see if I got strength.
Y'all pretty handsome.
I need help. This is so.
I'm trying to break that part off first.
This?
This, yeah.
Okay, I was trying to do.
Like you got dead free food. Like when I know you mash up yourself just to get the food.
Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh, that hurts so bad. I didn't think something sharp was gonna come pop out.
Do you not see this is the claw shell? The shell,
The claw?
shell is hardest.
No, it was the inside that hurt me. Where'd the claw just go? Where's the part I just took out?
Here. Not that punishment, my name, yeah, mate.
See, look, this is what hurt me, guys. That white part. Like, it went... And it still hurts. Here. Don't do that.
Yeah, I can't. His son is dying.
That's his son?
Their contraction is hard.
You're shocking him? Just he popped out alive?
So, yeah, so that he can wake back up. Giving his heart a shock. Wanty, no get it. Get it, no.
Can I switch your space?
Would you like me to help you? What do you want? That shell is so hard.
No, this is working. This can be like another 45 days and it'll pop open. That tastes like these people aren't letting me eat
Lobster meat.
Let me help.
Take it off this.
Oh, now you want it.
Destiny, leave that.
Have to like cut this. Okay. Dig in.
I don't know, them Shelleed does extra tough, like little wally lobster I'm like. I want my whole pan using. With that one.
Lobster. Is that why I like it? How my teeth in the back.
And with Jay, I couldn't eat nothing but vegetables and potatoes.
Guys, look how good that looks. Oh my god. Just eat you. Not yet. Hold on your horses.
Wanty, no get it. Why is that song in my head?
Yeah, because you just like...
Come to mommy, come fat, come. You know, Jamaican people know that. Yo, when we are pretty, they used to tell me some fuckery, you see? Like, honestly. You know, when your dad Jamaican, you eat the crab them way, then catch your boot in the mud. And when we are eating, you know, and you know the crab back. Sure. You know the crab back where you have look how fat in there, you know, you dig it out with the banana. And you dig it out with the banana, you eat it. And then boil banana in the crab water and so, right? Excuse me. Finally getting it. So, we're going to crab back. And you want more? Make you make a lick up on your everything. Come, fat, come. Come, fat, come. I'm sorry, I eat it.
Don't do it.
Fat, not then. I just eat it. We are putting. Just in your money.
Let's go, girl. You want food to save?
Come, up. 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 Here, corn.
Now I can eat you. Go.
That's the part I don't like. The claw.
Oh, the fish part? It's okay.
I like lobster. Lobster tail. Oh, babe, come to mom. Ooh.
I want that. I haven't tried it yet. Ooh. You said it was spicy, right?
Why not? The chicken?
Oh.
Edge shocking. Dead. Dead.
Boy, that's spicy.
Bro. Man, son dead, you know. A bear bullet man run through, you know. And you say everybody a dead car. One. When Destiny, go find your parents now, girl.
Dang, why you
Go. Up.
She wants some food. Here's some food.
Hello, come.
Justin's eating some shrimp right now. So Justin's eating some shrimp. When I didn't know how to use these, I just eat these because I didn't know how to open the recipe.
Before, shrimp. Where does get shrimp from?
Eat.
You get for shrimp?
Before I didn't know how to open any of those claws. I still don't. I just eat these.
This thing barely even know.
Exactly.
You don't want your tail? Okay, we wrap up this and watch the rest of the movie now.
Dip this in some of my sauce.
Alright. Up. My hand's clean. Up. Yo, she's so dainty. Alright, baby. Hey, pretty girl.
It was so chewy.
Destiny, oh mama, look out what they got me. Destiny, oh mama, look out what they got me. Destiny.
Right? Pretty girl. Pretty.
Pretty girl.
Yeah.
Pretty girl.
Say hi. Hi. Say hello. Hello. Pretty girl. Say hello.
Yeah, at gal. Yes. At gal. Say yes. Yes. At gal. At gal Destiny. At gal Destiny. At gal Destiny. Oh. At gal Destiny. Bye. Pretty. Pretty girl.
give me a kiss. Say hello. 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 Say hello, pretty girl. I love you. Say hello. 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 Say hello. No, say hi. Hi. Hello. I'm eating lobster.
She's so shy sometimes.
Hello. I know you have to have a sauce. It just tastes much better. Hello. Give me a kiss. Say, give me a kiss.
She talks when she wants to talk sometimes. Like, yes, up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up.
Hello.
Hi.
Pretty. Say hello. Pretty girl, say hello. Hello. Hello.
I want you to say hello to the guy. Say hi, pretty. Say hi. Yes, pretty.
Hello. Hello. My mouth starts to burn. And I don't know where to eat.
Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Yes, are you pretty? Yes.
I bought my stinker buggers
Are you
away.
beautiful? Yes. You love me? Yes. You love mama? Yes. No? Are you a hot gal? Do you see this? Are you pretty? Do you love me? You love mama? You love mama? You love me? I love you. Say, give me a kiss.
Are you on here?
No, shush. I want to say, give me a kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Pretty girl.
Give me a kiss.
Say, give me a kiss.
What happened to the girl? Give me a kiss. He's still alive. Looks like he got cut in the face.
That his son is dead.
It's not a son.
That's his son, the little boy that's on the table. Hi, pretty girl. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Are you being shy? Yes? It's okay. Mommy loves you. Let me hug.
Phone's still working.
So, just a slight update. It's been over a year now since we have Destiny. And we didn't expect her to talk, but she's talking a lot now. And as we walk in the room, she says, hello, hi, give me a kiss. And stuff, you know. We're going to start making more videos and introducing her fully and showing her off and stuff. And doing videos for her, doing videos with us. And right now, Jaylee's sleeping. It's her nap time. She should wake up any minute. Destiny's telling me to go away. And, we're gonna start making a lot more videos and stuff. So like, comment, share, subscribe. What is this called? A mukbang?
Yes.
Mukbang / storytime / destiny / we love y'all / love us. Yep. Right. You love me.
So
Say yes.
hope you guys enjoyed.
Yep. We still have lots of food to eat, you know. It's gonna go down over time because it's a lot of food.
So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you